Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to react to Instagram message. So if you want to react any message on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram and you have to log into your account. Once you will do it, you have to go to your messenger from the right top. Once you will do it, you have to open any friend messages. So let's suppose I have chatted with this my friend. So how you can react it, you have to tap a while on the message you want to give a reaction, and you will see this type of the emojis. So you can simply click on the heart, or you can simply make a laughing face. It's totally up to you. So this is the procedure to react to Instagram message. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.